My name is Saleh, and with my colleagues Ibrahim and Sultan, we are going to explain about our project, which is about the manual washing machine, and we will explain more about the using logo. First of all, I will start with the concept of the project, and then I will leave you with Ibrahim to explain about the wiring stuff. And finally, we will end up with Mr. Sultan to build the circuit in the logo. So let's begin. As we see here, this is the sample of manual washing machine. As we see here, there is 3 switches. First switch is responsible about the wash the clothes, which is rotated here. And this is the switch is about drain to get the water out of the machine. And the last switch is responsible about the drying the clothes. First switch is including 2 things. First thing is the switch itself to make it work, and the second switch is about the reset to make the machine stop whenever we want. And the second one, it has only one switch inside it to make it work or on or off. The last one is responsible about the drying the clothes. It includes 2 things also: reset switch and on reset switch to make it work or stop. And here the components that we need to run the program, which is logo. We need 5 inputs, 2 latches relay, and pulse out. The pulse out we need it just to make it works just as a timer, and also we need OR gate to gathering the switch. And the last thing we needed is the output. And now I will leave you with Mr. Ibrahim to talk about the wiring.
Hello, my name is Ibrahim. Me and Mohammed, we will explain the washing machine, and I will explain the control circuit and the power circuit. First, I will explain the control circuit. Control circuit, we have 5 inputs: I1, I2, I3, I4, and I5. I1, it's the switch for watch timer. I2, it's the reset watch timer. I3, it's the switch for drain. I4, it's the spin timer switch. I5, it's the reset spin timer. All of this, it's input to be connected with the lifeline. And here's the output. One side we connected with the lifeline, and the other side we take it to the K. K, it's the relay, and we connect K to natural line. Secondly, I will explain the power circuit. Here's the motor with the 3 phases, and it's transferred the DC to the AC, which is from 24 DC to 230 AC. Now I will leave you with Sultan.
Hello, my name is Sultan. In this part I will build the circuit in the logo for washing machine. So let's start. Now we need 5 inputs. After that we need latching relay. And then we need pulse out. Now we need OR gate. Finally is output. Now we will connect watch timer switch connected with latch relay. Then connect the latch to pulse out. After that, connected to OR gate. Now we will connect the drain switch to our gate. Now we will connect span timer switch. Connect with the latch relay. Then connect the latch to pulse out. After that, connect to our gate. Finally, we will connect the output of our gate to the output. Now we will set the timer. Let's test our circuit now. You can see this time. This one, this input is it. Thank you for watching.